now we're gonna do a science experiment. This is baking soda. It's a white powder. We're gonna pour it into our bottle. See? Looks kind of like sand. Now, this is vinegar. Looks kind of like water, but it smells and tastes different. Now, I have a question. What do you think will happen when we pour the vinegar in with the baking soda? Will it turn into mud? Maybe. Will it look like an ocean in a bottle with the water and the sand? Could be. Will it get all mixed up and look sparkly and pretty? I don't know. Should we find out? All right. Okay. Huh? Might want to zoom in. Wow. What happened? It made bubbles, didn't it? Should we see how many bubbles we can make? I've got a little bit left. Should we do it again? Okay, you ready? Wow. It's actually like ask your parents to see if you can do it at home. Hi everybody, are you ready to meet another animal? This is a... What kind of animal is this? Is it a doggy? Is it a guinea pig? No, it's a kitty cat. Good job. Her name is Fiona. Hey, Fee. Ooh, do you hear the sound she's making? She's purring, not very loud. Purring tells us that a kitty cat is happy, usually. What other sounds does a kitty cat make? Do kitty cats bark? Woof, woof. No. Do kitty cats trumpet like an elephant? No. Do kitty cats tweet like a birdie? Tweet, 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 tweet. No. What sound does a kitty cat make? Meow, meow. Good job. Ooh, you want to see the kitty cat jump? Kitty cats like to jump, particularly this one. She likes to climb things.
Yes, especially me. Do you want to see the kitty cat climb me?
I think she's done climbing, right?
Probably.
All right, everybody say bye, kitty cat.